It's Alex from Back to Your Heart, your daily media source for guidance on getting your ex back. I'm thrilled to join you today for another insightful discussion on your journey to romantic reconquest. Today, I want to tackle a common assertion in the realm of love reconciliation, one that I find not only baseless, but potentially harmful. Exes naturally come back at some point. I'd like to challenge this notion by exploring the idea of a pact. A romantic breakup is more than just an official act. It's the tangible manifestation of your ex's decision to no longer continue the romantic relationship with you. However, before this separation becomes a concrete reality, it already existed in your ex's mind. It's crucial to distinguish between the emotional breakup and the actual separation. The separation, as we've mentioned, is the moment your ex tells you about their desire for independence, to leave the union. On the other hand, the emotional breakup is a mental process, a unilateral decision based on personal experiences and feelings, cultivated by your ex. Perhaps for days, weeks, or even months, your ex has been contemplating their freedom, no longer envisioning a shared life with you, and analyzing every aspect of your behavior negatively. Every mistake you make adds to the list of reasons for incompatibility. The difference here is significant. When the separation is announced, the decision isn't just made, it's deeply rooted. Your ex is like the captain of a ship that's cast anchor and isn't moving anytime soon. They are prepared to face the storm of your reaction because it's clear you'll want to counter these arguments and instinctively try to reclaim what's been taken from you. And if you need to talk, know that I'm readily available to listen. You can leave me a comment here, send me a DM on social media, or write to me by email. All the information to contact me is in the video description. Don't hesitate to reach out if you're looking for advice or support. I'm here to help. It's perfectly normal for your ex to be prepared for your reaction. When making such a significant decision, one has already traversed an intellectual path of protection and preparation. Let's illustrate this with a scenario you might find familiar. At some point in your life, you've likely made a choice that impacted the rest of your existence. Consider a professional example. Perhaps you started a new job in an unfamiliar environment with unknown colleagues, work systems, and software that you had never used before. You then realized that Roger, a colleague, was accomplishing in 3 minutes what took you 3 days. This realization might have made you question, what am I doing here? Did I make a mistake? This is extremely challenging. How will I manage to get through this? The paradox in this situation is that it's precisely at this moment that you doubled your efforts. Why? Deep down, you knew there was a reason why you were hired. You were aware of how hard it is to find a job, and you particularly wanted to prove to yourself and everyone else that you were capable, that you were not someone who gives up easily. You needed a certain period to decide, does this job suit me or not? But first and foremost, I need some time to adapt. Don't forget that every week, I offer a free 1-hour coaching session via email. This is an opportunity not to be missed, as I firmly believe that everyone deserves access to this support, and it's thanks to you that our community continues to grow. To participate, just follow these simple steps. Write in the comments, I want coaching, and briefly describe your situation. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. If you want to win a free 1-hour email coaching session, express your interest in the comments and subscribe. There will be a winner each week, ensuring everyone has a chance. The larger our community, the more we can help each other. To revisit, the concept of an adaptation period is often mentioned when starting a new job or facing a new reality. The same applies to your ex in the context of a breakup. At the moment of separation, your ex essentially signs a pact, a contract with two very significant and present entities. The first entity is themselves. Your ex has decided, I no longer want this relationship. I want something different. There's a risk in returning to you. This doesn't mean your ex never wants to hear from you again or that there are no more feelings. It's not about suddenly finding you unattractive. There are still potential points of connection, but your ex doesn't want to go back on a decision that's crucial for them. The second entity is the perception of others, family, colleagues, and everyone around us. These individuals are in our minds, ready to judge us. This is a significant aspect of human life. You dress in the morning, work on your nonverbal communication, and show professionalism because you want people to have a positive image of you. Your ex doesn't want to appear fickle or incapable of sticking to a decision and seeks to gain legitimacy. That's why we often see messages and behaviors aimed at reinforcing this pact, like Facebook statuses with quotes like "the past is past" or "the future is for rebuilding." You might think these messages target you, but in reality, your ex is addressing the perception of others, trying to build a strong foundation to stay true to their pact. The pact is crucial and directly impacts your ex. It shouldn't be confronted, but rather navigated around. This video aims to explain that contradictory attitudes, definitive statements, and challenges you face in your romantic reconquest are entirely normal reactions. Yes, it is possible to overcome this pact, to work on evolving the situation. However, this is never a direct approach, but rather a subtle psychological process. Don't fear the thoughts or words of your ex, because in reality, they are seeking reassurance. We can work together to reverse this trend. I look forward to discussing this more on the website. As always, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more content, click on the links in the description below. You'll have access to a newsletter with weekly free videos that arrive in your mailbox on topics not covered in the YouTube videos. Feel free to ponder over these points, and I look forward to seeing you soon in the next video. Don't hesitate to comment with any questions or topics you'd like to see addressed. Have a wonderful day and see you